Hi, my name's Jo Manton. I'm really looking forward to seeing you on November the 6th, where we're going to be talking about the health of your leadership team and how you can get your people to lead themselves and work more effectively together so that you can free yourself up to do what you should be spending time on. Most of us already know a huge amount about how to lead others and how to set up successful working teams. We know how to set performance goals and targets, how to delegate out the stuff that weighs us down, so it frees our time up for more strategic things. We know that it's important to give feedback to help people see what they're doing well and where they can improve. We know that we need to train and equip people to be able to do the jobs they're paid to do. But for all that we already know, according to recent research, we still don't know what good leadership looks like and how to get people to step up so that we're not doing everything ourselves. According to the Centre for Creative Leadership, only 18% of MDs rated their leaders and managers as very effective, and 97% agreed that increased effectiveness of their team would have a positive impact on business results. So within the session on the 6th of November, we're going to look at how the 5 practices of exemplary leadership can equip your leaders and managers to deal with the complex challenges that your business faces. I'll be sharing with you guidance based on real practical data about how to grow your leadership and how to strengthen the leadership skills of others. We'll look at how you can use the 5 practices to take your leaders to the next level of performance. The framework is easy and simple to use and works well for all types of businesses and all types of personalities. If you want to find out what effective leaders do and what they don't do, how you can get your people to lead themselves so that you can free yourself up to do what matters, and how you can build a highly effective, engaged, and healthy leadership team, then join me on the 6th of November. My name is Jo Manton, and I really look forward to seeing you there.